Question number 1. Who composed the national song Bande Mataram? The correct answer is option D. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Question number 2. What is the name of the highest civilian award in India? The correct answer is option C. Bharat Ratna. Question number 3. Which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun? The correct answer is option B. Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 4. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 5. What is the name of the largest Indian state by area? The correct answer is option B. Rajasthan. Question number 6. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? The correct answer is option A. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 7. Which Indian city is known as the City of Pearls? The correct answer is option D. Hyderabad. Question number 8. Which is the largest temple in India? The correct answer is option A. Sri Ranganath Swami Temple. Question number 9. What is the name of the Indian Space Agency? The correct answer is option B. ISRO. Question number 10. Who was the first Indian woman to win a Grand Slam title in tennis? The correct answer is option D. Sonia Mirza. Question number 11. What is the name of the first Indian satellite? The correct answer is option B. Aryabhatta. Question number 12. Which Indian state is known as the God's own country? The correct answer is option B. Kerala. Question number 13. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? The correct answer is option A. Udaipur. Question number 14. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? The correct answer is option C. Basendri Pal. Question number 15. What is the name of the Indian Festival of Lights? The correct answer is option A. Diwali. Question number 16. Which is the largest national park in India? The correct answer is option B. Hemis National Park. Question number 17. What is the name of the Indian state that is home to the Sundarbans? The correct answer is option C. West Bengal. Question number 18. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? The correct answer is option B. Kerala. Question number 19. What is the name of the largest Indian state by population? The correct answer is option A. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 20. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? The correct answer is option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 21. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? The correct answer is option B. Kolkata. Question number 22. Who wrote the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana? The correct answer is option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 23. Name of the Indian classical dance from that originated in Kerala. The correct answer is option B. Kathakali. Question number 24. Which Indian state shares its borders with Myanmar, China and Bhutan? The correct answer is option D. Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 25. Which is the first state in India to become 100% organic? The correct answer is option B, Sikkim. Question number 26. The famous hill station Manali is located in which state? The correct answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 27. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? The correct answer is option B, Indira Gandhi. Question number 29. Who is the father of the nation? The correct answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 30. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for latest videos.